Welcome, family. Today we'll be talking about filing for a tax exemption. So the state of Hawaii will give you a discount for the home that you actually live in as a principal residence. So today I'm going to show you how to file for this exemption, and then we can go from there. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you folks. So I'm going to search up Real Property Honolulu. So we're going to need a couple websites. So we're going to need this Real Property Honolulu. So this is actually, so the current website now, the website is realpropertyhonolulu.com. I have it show up here. So realpropertyhonolulu.com. So first thing we're going to do is come here to file an exemption, a homeowner's exemption. So again, the way it's currently written now, for the home that you use as your principal residence, you get $100,000 exemption. So if your home for tax purposes is worth $1 million, what they do is they minus $100,000. So $1 million minus 100,000 equals 900,000. Then they assess the taxes on 900,000. So for any principal residence that you have, you want to file this exemption so that way you can get that discount. So first things first is you click the file a homeowner's exemption. And then, so normally yours will be blank. So what you do is you come here, the first thing you need is the parcel ID. So what we do is most folks don't really know their parcel ID. So they do a property search here. So it'll open up another link. And then you hit yes and above. And from there, you type your actual address. So we're just going to use my address, for example. Mine's popped up there, and you hit search. So the first one you'll see, right there is the parcel number. Right, so that's the one you actually see, the parcel number. That's what you want. So you highlight that portion. You right click on it, you copy, you take that back over here. You want to input your parcel ID or your TMK number. And if yours doesn't show up, just shoot me a text. And if you can't find your parcel ID number, your TMK number, just shoot me a text and I'll get it over to you. Yep, so you hit continue, it'll go through. And then if your name doesn't show up here, then you would register your name and whatnot. So, yeah, and you go from there, you continue, and then you fill out the rest. And then, yeah, pretty much that's how you file your exemption for the real property taxes here in Hawaii. So, for my folks that are 100% disabled veterans, how you would get the extra exemption is you come down here. So you go to forms. All right, and then you come down here to what you're looking for is the total disabled veteran exemption. There's a separate form that you have to fill out. And there you hit download, and then you have to fill out this form, and then you send that into the instructions are in here. You send that into the Real Property Exemption office, the Real Property Assessment Division. You send that into them, and they will get that process for you folks. Yeah, good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.